President Emmerson Mnangagwa on Thursday avoided addressing the explosive controversies surrounding the co-option of his controversial ally, business tycoon KUTYA into the ZANU-PF Central Committee, choosing instead to focus on the liberation history and party ideology during the party's 385th Politburo session. Sarabena mashkobda pangwana chizi Mnangagwa plays hide and seek in Politburo no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnao zero mudanya kwa mchinzi. The silence has fueled speculation about deepening divisions, succession tensions in the ruling party, particularly involving Mnangagwa's loyalist, Vice President Constantine Chiwenga's faction, and outspoken party spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa. Tagure, a politically connected businessman, often described as Mnangagwa's financier and a key behind the scenes strategist, was recently ejected from a central committee meeting at the party headquarters in Harare. The incident unfolded in full view of President, who to date has offered no official comment on the matter. Just days later, Mnangagwa appeared alongside Tagure at a high-profile golf tournament organized by Tagure himself, a calculated move widely interpreted as a signal of solidarity and a defiance against internal critics seeking to sideline the businessman. Tagure's growing influence and presence in party structures has long been a point of contention. Critics within ZANU-PF, including allies of Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, view Tagure as emblematic of the moneyed elite who have captured the party's agenda for personal gain, while sidelining the Liberation War veterans and liberation military figures who have traditionally anchored ZANU-PF's power. Despite expectations that Thursday's Politburo meeting would address the Tagure saga directly, Mnangagwa steered clear of the topic. Instead, he delivered a speech doubling down on the party's ideological roots, calling for loyalty to the party constitution and paying homage to the fallen heroes of the liberation struggle. Observers see the president's silence as part of a broader strategy to manage the delicate power balance in ZANU-PF, where succession battles have intensified since the 2017 military assisted ouster of Robert Mugabe. Chiwenga, a once seen as Mnangagwa's natural successor due to his role in the coup, has reportedly grown frustrated by moves perceived to align military and liberation figures in favor of business allies like Tagure. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa is openly criticized, but he described as the growing influence of corrupt entrepreneurs over the party affairs. Thomas Kwaripo Pangwa ine, Sunponza case in the ruling party Pangwa ine, Aiwa, Kunyango network leadership Pangwa ine washa kwanza contain. Comment section meru zimufuru enyi mutu kulipa mzoro vijit college. Subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.